Good morning, everyone. I would like to thank you for joining me for another drive through the streets of Phoenix. Don't know what we're going to run into today, if anything at all, but you got my company, and that's always amazing. Later on in the video, we will be coming up to an intersection that I have seen 3 accidents happen in the last couple of days. So let's find out what's going on. Maybe we'll see something, maybe we won't. I mean, I don't want to see an accident. I don't want to see anybody get hurt. But if it's going to happen, we might as well catch a quick video, right? I did zoom in the camera a little bit, so if it appears that I'm closer to the vehicles in front of me, it's just going to be because I'm zoomed in. Don't think I'm tailgating or pulling right up on people. If anybody knows where I'm driving at, let me know. I'd like to hear how smart you are with Phoenix geography. And here we go, rocking and rolling. Also, I really appreciate you all. If there is any street you would like me to drive and video on in the city of Phoenix or surrounding little towns, just leave a comment below in the comment section and I'll be glad to do what I can to get to that for you. I definitely like the engagement with every one of you and I appreciate you all. So we're really trying to get to 100,000 subscribers and you all are awesome for being subscribed already. I appreciate it. If you're not, hit that subscribe button right now. Hit the like button for this video. Share it. Comment below. I appreciate all of that, guys. Really do. Know where we're at yet? Comment below. I want to see how smart you are. There is no traffic this morning. It's pretty crazy. Normally we have more traffic. Today. It is a beautiful day. Sometime coming up in the next 2 months, I'm going to be going on a nice little vacation. I'm going to take a whole lot of videos for everyone so you can see what's happening internationally on our trip. So if anybody's a fan of the Bahamas, the Dominican Republic, or St. Thomas, look out for us sometime near the end of March. We'll have a bunch of videos up for you. Also, if there's any kind of video you guys want to see that's different than what I've already done, or you want to see more of something I've done, comment below. I would love to hear what you have to say. For now, though, guys, I appreciate you hanging with me. Doesn't look like anything exciting happened this trip except for my company. I'm going to sign off for now, and we'll make another video another day. Thanks, guys. Bye.